Right now, several East Tennessee counties are under a flood watch, including Knox County. It's set to stay in effect until 7 tomorrow morning. Meteorologist Tevian Whitehurst joins us now from Tyson Park in the Fort Sanders area. Are you seeing flooding, Tevian?
So what I'm seeing, ladies, is a lot of the puddling and ponding. We'll be able to show you some of the TDOT cameras in a little bit, but you guys probably noticed it on your drive in too. And even yesterday, it's starting to kind of build up on the side areas. So think along the spaces along the sides as you're along the road, trying to get into some of that venting. You see ponding in all of the potholes when you look across the road. And here at Tyson Park, the first thing that caught my and my photographer's eye was the third creek right here. Now, this is likely going to be a body of water that leads into the Tennessee River, and if you can sort of see here through these poles kind of further out into the distance, it's not flooding per se, it's starting to really rise, but what we're seeing is very active water. There's a lot of movement as you look across the top of it, and if you see movement on the top of the water, you can always imagine that as you get down into the surface, you're going to be seeing more of those impacts. So a lot of what I've been doing today has been looking at the various rivers that we have around East Tennessee. Some of them are at actionable levels. So actionable more so means something that we're going to be having an eye on, looking for various impacts in terms of what we could see with that flooding. And then we start to work our way in towards the minor flood stage, the moderate, and even the higher flood stages where we would start to think about evacuations and other things of that nature. So I'm going to continue to look at those river levels. They're doing well for right now. And kind of like Rebecca was saying earlier, when it comes to some of the river flooding and things of that nature, it's not today that we are worried about. It's the additional rain that we'll see into the weekend that could start to send that over the edge with runoff. So I'll have more updates on that. For now, ladies, I'll send it back to you.
And depending on where you are, that could be worse for some people.
Absolutely. Tavian, thank you.